At Autodesk, we believe in a world where anyone can design and make anything. Our AI technology is built with you in mind, tailored to the challenges you face every day, from construction and manufacturing to entertainment. For over a decade, we've invested in AI to help professionals push the boundaries of what's possible. Autodesk AI doesn't just automate, it amplifies creativity by freeing you from tedious tasks and offering predictive insights, allowing you to focus on the work that matters most. Today, Autodesk AI is helping professionals across industries. Engineers and architects optimize designs and meet sustainability goals. Designers bring products to market faster. Contractors manage risk and improve decision-making. Artists focus on creativity and storytelling, not repetitive tasks. Embedded in products like Forma, Revit, AutoCAD, Flow Production Tracking, and the Autodesk Construction Cloud, Autodesk AI enhances creativity and efficiency, helping professionals design and make a better world. Together, we're shaping the future and creating the experiences, products, and communities of tomorrow. Because when human ingenuity meets the power of AI, the possibilities are limitless. Autodesk AI, designed for your challenges, built for your success.